नॉर्थाक युरिबाब बिफोर वी गो टू साऊथ. पेडण्या, सत्तरी, दिवचल ह्या 3 तालुक्यांनी तुमचें अस्तित्व आसा काय कितें? नंबर 1. नंबर 2, बार्देस, ज्या जाग्यार एक काळ बार्देस तुमचो गड आसतालो, मागीर तो बीजेपीचो गड जालो. तुमचे आमदार निवडून आयले, ते बीजेपीक गेल्यात. आता तिसवाडी सेम परिस्थिती. तुम्ही ऑन ग्राउंड मोबिलायझेशन कोणाच्या कुस्तार करतात?
सी किती हा प्रमोद
परत तुम्ही लोकांचे कुस्तार म्हणटा म्हाका.
every time the media questions the opposition. Today it is an open secret that the BJP are rattled. They are rattled. There is absolutely, the Congress मोठे मरे लोकांगे काळजां रोगतांत आहा. आणि भावना, yes, they were hurt by certain decisions in the past. They were hurt by defections. But here we are 3 MLAs, Zao Bab Elton DeCosta, who is the in charge of South Goa, Carlos Alvarez Ferreira, who is the in charge of North Goa. All 3 of us, our party president, Amit Phatkar, we have taken them head on. So all they je pad kuslo ahla te sale bhair sola, aate pade ha te sarke new blood, and we, as I said in the past, we all are people, are our soldiers today on the field, and I am very, very sure that all these things of yours, whatever, you all belittled the Congress in the past as well. Several interviews and several round table conferences and all these things. Said, where is the Congress? Where you will see on J 7 तारखे झाले, there will be a tsunami.